find the area either for this curve and then line x equals to 0 and x equals to 4. So for this curve is a quadratic but already in factor form. So when it having in factor form, from here we can read out what is the roots. Our quadratic, we can read out the roots where it is x equals to 2 and other roots happen at x equals to 4. So we have to draw this quadratic. When we expand, we can see negative x and x, negative x squared. Means this quadratic will be concave downward. So obviously we know one root is at 2 and another root is at 4. So draw your quadratic. Concave downward. And then we know this is root of 2, roots of 4. So this is our equation y. So label x-axis, label x-axis, y-axis. So we have one curve here. So beside this curve, bounded by x equals to 0. X equals to 0 is our y-axis, bounded by x equals to 0, which is this line. Starting from this curve, bounded by x equals to 0, another one is x equals to 4. So x equals to 4 is a vertical line. Vertical line go through x-axis at the value of 4. So you can see our region, it will be in the interval x equals to 0 until x equals to 4, bounded by the curve and the lastly x-axis. So bounded by the curve and x-axis. So you can see this region is attached to x-axis. So this is the region that we want to find. So since it attached to x-axis, means that our formula for this area, we are going to integrate lower limit up to upper limit function in terms of x dx. We will use the formula from dx. And then be careful, our area, we have negative area here. So this part we have to find it and put in modulus. Alright, so we start from our equation of the area. We observe here, we will start from 0 up to 2. We have to stop because this is the area negative. We have to put modulus in the integration. So what's your function here in terms of x? Let's expand so that we can integrate it easily. So expand this quadratic. Negative x squared, simplify. Plus 6x minus 8. So negative x squared plus 6x minus 8 dx. For the first region here, negative region. Put in modulus, then continue plus integrate from 2 up to value of 4. Our curve in terms of x, which is our quadratic, then dx. So this area will give us positive value, so no need modulus. Only the area below x-axis, we have to put in modulus to ensure that the integration gives you positive value. Alright, so after we write our formula of area, the next step, we perform our integration. So this modulus, just let it. So we solve this integration. Individual x, power plus 1 over new power. Power plus 1 over new power. A constant, we having 8x. With upper limit 2, lower limit 0. Plus another part of this region, again, we integrate using formula number 2, power plus 1 over new power. Constant, we get 8x. Upper limit 4, lower limit 2. So write our equation of area Then in the grid, after that, substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So we just need to write out our step clearly. So what is your upper limit here? 2. Minus lower limit 0. So when I put here 0 over 0, 0, so everything is 0 in modulus. Another part plus, so this part, substitute upper limit 4. Minus lower limit 2. Then we press our calculator. We can give you 8 unit square. So area we put unit square.